aspirated 12A, stock carburetor, stock header, still has the full rat's nest. So for the most part it's all stock, just got some of your basic stuff done, like the cat is deleted, the air pump isn't hooked up, went to a dual alternator belt setup to run the water pump, which eliminates any possibility of slippage. Carbon fiber hood because the old one was rusty, and Panasport wheels with Kumho tires, and a cheap little muffler on the back. Interior, it's a bit ratty, a bit mismatched, but it gives it character. Got a personal steering wheel. But yeah, other than that, all stock.
Mm-hmm.